Do ora la parola alla dottoressa Sevil Yayayeva di Azprom, l'Agenzia Statale per la Promozione degli Investimenti della Repubblica dell'Azerbaigian.
Dear participants, buongiorno. It's a great honor to be here with you today in beautiful and ancient city Rome. As a representative of Azprom, I would like to begin by briefing you about our organization. The Export and Investment Promotion Agency of the Republic of Azerbaijan, Azprom, actively facilitate non-oil export under the brand name Made in Azerbaijan through support to local exporters with the implementation of export promotion mechanism. Simultaneously, the agency provides services to interested investors based on a single window principle. Azprom is also a member of the World Association of Investment Promotion Agencies, WIPA, and has the status of Regional Director of Central Asia. Furthermore, we also serve as both a trade promotion organization and investment promotion agency, organizing international events to facilitate discussion and foster business relations. Today I'm going to present the vibrant economic landscape and investment opportunities in Azerbaijan. I hope this presentation will be interesting and insightful, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of our dynamic economy and the potential it holds for investors. First slide is about the state of economy in 2023. Okay, in 2023, Azerbaijan's nominal GDP reached $72.4 billion, while real GDP recorded an annual growth of 1.1%. Since we are dividing our economy into oil and non-oil section, it's important to note that our non-oil real growth rate stood at 3.7% in 2023, demonstrating our commitment in this dimension. By examining the bar chart in the lower left section, you can also see the breakdown of our GDP by sectors. Notably, the industry holds the lion's share, accounting for more than 40% of our economy. Politically stable Azerbaijan investment climate is very positive, driven by various tax-related benefits and other government payments. We enjoyed multi-billion foreign investment portfolio during the last 3 decades. Today, foreign direct investment in Azerbaijan exceed $110 billion, with nearby $20 billion invested in the non-oil sector. The next slide about the trading partners of Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan is indeed a proven trading partner with trade relations with more than 190 countries worldwide and a total trade turnover exceeding $51 billion in 2023. Our top export markets include Italy, Turkey, India, and Greece. As we focused on non-oil export, we have highlighted our main non-oil export products ranging from fruits and vegetables to chemical products and aluminium. In total, the country's non-oil export hit an all-time high of $3.3 billion last year. Especially, I would like Italy as a main trade partner of Azerbaijan. Italy alone, our main trading partner, accounted for a mutual trade volume of $15.7 billion in 2023. As a representative of the agency focusing on non-oil export promotion, I would like to note that our non-oil export to Italy amounted of $42 million, with the main export products being hazelnut and the methanol. Also, as my colleagues mentioned, I would like to touch information about the effective time-saving routes. Azerbaijan is strategically placed and as an essential hub in various international transport corridors, including the North-South and China-Europe maritime routes. The middle route connecting China to Europe through Azerbaijan reduced transit time by up to 70%, while the north-south route achieved a 16% time saving compared to alternative paths. The country also played a crucial role in the emergence of the middle corridor as a valuable trade route connecting the east and the west. In fact, by initiating the construction of the Baku-Tbilisi-Kars Railway, will lay the foundation of the middle corridor. Also, I would like to provide information about the well-developed infrastructure of Azerbaijan, utilizing all the advantages of our country's strategically important geographical location. We established numerous special economic zones, which include industrial zones and the Allied Free Economic Zone (AFEZ). The AFEZ, established in July 2021, covers 850 hectares and aims to attract investors interested in utilizing innovation technologies to produce high-value goods for export. Situated near the Baku International Sea Trade Port, the AFEZ offers tax exemptions and freedom to repatriate earnings to its residents. Azerbaijan also boasts a well-developed infrastructure network critical for efficient business operation. We have constructed and rehabilitated nearly 20,000 kilometers of roads and highways and established 8 new international airports, including those in the liberated territories. Over the past decade, Azerbaijan has also built the largest sea trade port on the Caspian Sea with the initial capacity of 50 million tons and ready to expand to 25 million tons. In addition to this, I would also note the Baku shipyard, which is capable of producing ships to ensure efficient cargo transportation in the Caspian region. On the next slide, there is the information about some ratings. Azerbaijan State Oil Fund SOFA's assets underpin Azerbaijan's exceptionally strong foreign currency liquidity position and the country's very large net external creditor position. As of the end of 2023, SOFA's assets exceeded $56 billion. Given the country's solid position, Azerbaijan has also earned high rating from the permitted credit rating agencies known as the Big Three. Also, I would like to touch information about the business-oriented reforms in Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan has a strong business orientation and continuous efforts are being made to foster a more conducive environment for entrepreneurs. These efforts include simplifying procedures for starting a business, obtaining credit, dealing with construction permits, registering property, and protecting minor investors. Our streamlined public service licensing system and e-government initiatives further reduce bureaucratic hurdles and support business growth. By implementing these measures, Azerbaijan aims to build trust among investors, both domestic and foreign. About our export promotion measures. As a part of our export promotion measures, we have 11 trade houses and 6 trade representatives office abroad. As you can see from the slide, we have trade representatives in such countries as China, UAE, Russia, Turkey, Israel, and Poland. Also, I would like to give information about investment climate of Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan investment climate is highly favorable, characterized by limited price control, no restriction on profit repatriation, and no prior authorization required for foreign investment. We offer numerous incentives, especially industrial parks and liberated territories, including exemption from various taxes and custom duties, and substantial subsidies on utility services and loans. On the next slide, you can see information about bilateral investment and double taxation treaties. This evolution of the custom and tax environment directly contributes to trade development. Azerbaijan has signed free and preferential trade agreements with 11 countries, as well as agreement on preventing double taxation with 56 countries, including Italy. The next slide about the industrial zone and agricultural parks of Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan industrial zone and agricultural parks offer exemption from various taxes for up to 10 years, providing an exceptional opportunity for collaboration based on mutual interest. Their modern infrastructure, created at the expense of public funds, suggested favorable conditions for the development of entrepreneurship. As of now, almost $4 billion have been invested in the industrial zones, creating more than 17,000 jobs. I would like also to add that 2 industrial parks, Agdam Industrial Park and Araz Valley Economic Zone, have been established in the liberated territories, which I am going to speak in detail later. investment initiatives of Azerbaijan. In line with this, as you can see from this slide, Azerbaijan has established a framework of favorable conditions to facilitate optimal incentives and rational stimulating mechanisms. These conditions include tax incentives, social insurance benefits, enhanced investment promotion mechanisms, and utility service benefits for electricity, natural gas, and water consumption. Another additional support instrument worth mentioning is so-called investment promotion document for non-residents of the industrial zones lasting 7 years. This document basically gives you all the advantages provided by the parks and zones, with only exception being the corporate tax, which would only be 50% on the commonly applied in Azerbaijan. Investment opportunities in liberated territories. The recent liberation of internationally recognized territories of Azerbaijan has boosted the investment potential of our economy. We are currently undertaking full-speed restoration and construction works in these areas to increase the attractiveness of the territories liberated from occupation. We grant exemption from profit, property, land, and simplified tax for 10 years starting from January 2023. Import of machinery, technological equipment, and devices, as well as raw materials and materials for the relevant fields of economic activity and goods nomenclature, are also exempt from VAT and custom duty for a period of 10 years from the beginning of 2023. In addition to the above-mentioned incentives, residents of liberated territories receive discount on utility service for a period of 10 years from the beginning of 2023. We also extend support to investors who adopt environmentally friendly technologies, promoting green growth, and, as I mentioned previously, utilize renewable energy sources to encourage sustainable and eco-friendly practices. On the next two slides, you can see the sector opportunities. As we delve into the various sectoral opportunities that Azerbaijan offers, it becomes evident that our nation is a land of vast potential and diverse investment avenues. Azerbaijan offers diverse sectoral opportunities that promise substantial returns to investors. Our agricultural sector, as a cornerstone of our economy, employs a significant proportion of our population and contributes 4.8% to our GDP. Additionally, Azerbaijan's important role as a bridge between East and West opens opportunities for cooperation in the transport and logistics sectors. One of the most pivotal non-oil sectors is the chemical industry, has great potential for investment because of the country's rich natural resources and proximity to large consumer market, giving a competitive edge for investment in this sector. There are also more spheres such as food processing, light industry, and renewable energy. About renewable energy, my colleagues also mentioned in detail. So that's why, thank you. And I would like to note that Azerbaijan offers a dynamic environment for investors with clear vision for sustainable growth and development. Our strategic location, robust infrastructure, diverse economy, and favorable investment climate make us an ideal partner for your investment ventures. As Gazprom, we are always ready to help Italian companies to set up business in Azerbaijan. Moreover, as you know, COP29, the United Nations' next climate conference, is scheduled to be held in Baku in November. Gazprom is planning to hold an investment forum with this grand event. Taking this opportunity, I would like to state that we look forward to welcoming you to Azerbaijan, to COP29 and our planned investment forum. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you very much, Ms. Yayeva. D'ora la parola alla dottoressa.
Also, just for example, excuse me, I also have bring with me some brochures and catalogs where you can get information about the registering process in Azerbaijan, about investment guide and investment projects in Azerbaijan. I'm planning to put these guides on reception here somewhere, and so you can take them. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.